In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress PDFs in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever tried to email or upload a PDF and hit a size limit, compressing the file is the quickest way to make it smaller while keeping it readable. Let's walk through the process clearly so you know exactly what to click and what each choice means. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro and open the PDF you want to reduce. You can open it from your recent files or by navigating to it on your computer. Once the document is open, look toward the top of the window for the Compress PDF option. In many versions, it's right on the toolbar. If you don't see it there, go to the Tools tab and choose Compress PDF. Both paths take you to the same place, so use whichever is available in your layout. Next, Acrobat will prompt you to choose a compression level. You'll see three clear options. High quality keeps visual fidelity higher, so text and images remain crisp, but the file size won't shrink as dramatically. This is a good fit if the PDF needs to look polished for printing or presentation. Medium strikes a balance between clarity and size, which works well for general sharing and everyday use. High compression aims for the smallest possible file size. This is ideal when you need to meet strict upload limits or send something quickly by email, and a small trade-off in image detail is acceptable. Pick the level that best matches how your file will be used. After selecting your preferred level, click Compress. Acrobat will process the file automatically. Larger PDFs or those with many images can take a bit longer, so give it a moment to finish. You'll see a progress indicator, and when it's done, Acrobat will be ready for you to save the new, smaller version. To wrap up, choose Save As. This ensures you keep the original PDF intact and store the compressed copy separately. Add a clear name so you can recognize it later, such as appending compressed or the chosen quality level to the file name, and pick a destination folder you'll remember. Then confirm the save. That's it. You opened your PDF, accessed Compress PDF from the toolbar or via Tools, selected the right compression level, let Acrobat do the work, and saved the optimized copy with a new name. Follow these steps anytime you need a leaner, shareable PDF without starting from scratch. Thanks for watching, and happy compressing.